Hi friends! Welcome to my channel Sandy the Sticker. Today I'm going to draw a strawberry. I really love strawberries. Do you like strawberry jam? It's so delicious. Drawing a strawberry is super easy. Watch me and I'll teach you how. Now let's draw some tableware. It's going to be a fork and a knife. You see, drawing a strawberry is very simple. Now, I'll outline it with a black marker to make the drawing sharper. After that, let's color the strawberry using colorful markers.
Hi friends! Welcome to my Sandy the Sticker channel. Today I'm drawing a pumpkin. Let's draw and color it together.
The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child, hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse, hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Hi friends! Welcome to my Sandy the Sticker channel. Today I'm drawing a colorful grapes. Let's draw and color it together.
And on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had
to my Sandy the Sticker channel. Today I'm drawing an apple. Let's draw and color it together. Look, it's very easy and fun. Try to draw with me. Hi guys! Welcome to my Sandy the Sticker channel. Today I'm drawing 3 tasty ice creams. Let's draw and color it together.